As you can see here, here are the alarms. This is the one I used this weekend. This one I didn't brought with me because it didn't work at the beginning. Turn this one on. You can see the light starts. Okay, turn this one off. I take out the batteries from this one. I don't have any nails, so I use something to pick with. So you can see that those batteries are okay. Take this one, put it in the right way, and try to turn it on. Nothing happens. It doesn't turn on at all. And also, when I put batteries in the other one, that actually works. I think you should hear a sound. Or the lights turn on or similar. Yeah, you heard that? It did a beep. This one doesn't. Okay, thank you.